Welcome back to this new video, guys, of TechSpress. Today let's check out how we can actually get started with QR codes and scan this into PC. So if here, for example, scanning your QR code is easy in your phone, but what if your code is in your phone screen or a piece of paper right next to your PC? So most computers doesn't have a built-in QR scanners, right? So fortunately, there are two quick, free and reliable ways to scan a QR code using your PC or your even laptop's webcam. So the first method is by using the built-in camera application, and the method number two is to use the Google Lens search tool into your browser. For this particular tutorial, what I'm going to be doing here is to get started with an actual QR that we all understand. So here into Canva, if you know what exactly is Canva, is a place where you can just get started with, let's say, for example, designing almost everything. So what I wanted to do, of course, is to get started by creating an actual link of a design that I currently have. And I wanted to generate an actual code. This is the actual code that we wanted to be scanning here, let's say making the scan first, right? So once we are, for example, directly in there, what I need to do is just to give it a little bit more of, let's say, this plate, right? Something like this. So it's something really easy. What I want to do now is to just focus into the actual scan of the product. So here is the actual code that we wanted to scan first. This is my actual presentation, right? Like this, scan me. So assume, for example, that we have this specific element, right? The first thing that I wanted to do, of course, is to have the image or the product, basically. So what I wanted to do is to look out for the option that says share. Download as a PNG file, right? Something going to be really easily. So the first thing to do is to use the built-in camera application to save this into the desktop. This method works best if the QR code is on a physical piece of paper or another device. So the first method is to open your PC built-in camera application. Into Windows, search for the option that says camera, for example. I hit into open and I go for yes, and my camera has now been correctly activated. Now, right now, we cannot see absolutely anything because this one has not been abstracted and I cannot open my camera right away. But what you need to do is just to click into the option that says here barcode, like this. And this will be, let's say, activating the QR codes that we can just scan directly into your camera. So just take a snapshot of the QR code. You don't need to save the photo, but you needed to capture a clean image of the code. So if you open the photo, we can click into the image and select copy and open the Google search into the browser. So let's go and head over here for Google. And here, for example, I just type the word that says Google Lens. This will instantly scan the QR code within the images and display the embedded link or the text. So click into the link process. Directly here into lens.google, go to glens. And you can, of course, scan to get this application. Once again, the same thing about scanning, right? Or something else that what we can do is that directly here I go for search by image, upload my file. I go for my desktop and I hit for open, scan me. So here I just click here this element, for example this bar, and this will be sending me directly into my actual element. So something like this, right? So basically this is how it actually works, the actual Google Lens element. Now if the Google Lens does not work for you, it's not working right now, you might need, of course, to have an actual let's say another device to scan this specific element. The other thing that you can do is to go for online QR code scanner. So here, for example, we have this scanqr.org, a place where we can be helping you to scan a specific QR image. Doing exactly the same process, it won't be so problematic. So this, for example, gives you the scan QR element, and into the right section we have the scanned data. So here we have an actual presentation. So I copy the results, I open a new tab, and I paste my scanned link. So as you can see, we are now inside the actual project that was scanned before. This is how we can actually scan an actual QR code without having to use another device and scan this process. So Once again, you can do this process directly with Google Lens, or just go for scanqr.org. Or you can look out for more elements, for example, the free scanner, the scan boot, SQD, and so much more stuff, right? Or even the webqr.com that is totally for free. But this, of course, needs an actual webcam in order to continue. So with this being said, guys, you can now reach the break end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more great tools and how we can get started with these elements. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys next time.